What's up, guys? Hope we're all having a phenomenal day today. So this is the first time I've kind of ever ran one of these videos, so I hope you can just bear with me whilst we strap in. And if this is the first time you've came across one of my videos, well, I'm Lewis McFarlane and I've been in the coaching space for coming up 9 years, and over that period of time we've helped transform over 600 men's life, which is pretty goddamn epic. And I want to run through this little Miro board today because I want to get you familiar with what I do, but most importantly, run through a really awesome transformation in which I've helped this individual man actually accomplish. And I want to make sure that throughout this process today, that you can get to a point where you're crystal clear on not only how I can help you, but how my system works and how you can essentially steal it, plug it into your own life, and, you know, build some fucking epic results yourself. And what I actually do, in essence, is help high-performing, successful men that feel physically average essentially rewire their internal beliefs so they look at life differently, so they can live life with a dominant body, aligned energy, and a ruthless life. So, as you can see, this video here, we're not just going to be specifically aiming it at Sam, who came into the program at 300 pounds and lost over 100 pounds of body fat in just 11 months, which quite frankly is unheard of in the fitness space. And I'm not just being candid because he's one of my guys, but I don't really see anyone else ever having done something like this before. This process works time and time again for any individual. It could be guys like Bruce here, who came in having never trained. He was type 2 diabetic and he had vices, alcohol, food, had never really put himself in a position where he'd went all in his physique, and then within I think 16 weeks, he had a superhero physique. Jack shoulders, rounded chest, abs popping through, vascular through the delts, insane. Also guys like Big Kev here, who went through an extreme body recomp, and again, that was only in 12 weeks, using the same process and format. This guy's extremely busy as well, has kids, travels, wakes up at like 4 in the morning, goes to bed at 12 at night, and you know, we had to learn how to manage his stress and take him through a process that now aligned with his lifestyle without burning him out. Guys like Ryan Miller, who came on the program, who knew he wasn't willing to settle for average, and over the course of our time working together, and we continue still to work with one another, has built a movie star physique as well, like a world-class top 1% body. You can just see it right there, and has went on to build his own coaching business. Also guys like Gav, who was physically decent but knew he was missing the mark on his full potential, and then again over a 6-month period of time completely transformed his physique, and now he has went on to start his own business as well. So this can be for the skinny guys looking to get jacked, this can be for the fat guys looking to get ripped, this can be for the average guys looking to become savage, this can be for any successful man that is done settling for average, that wants to become undeniable and take things all the way to the top. So today specifically, we're focusing on Big Sam, and I want to run you through the entire process. And as I said at the start, Sam is going to be one of the greatest to ever do it, right? Not because he just, you know, completely transformed how he looked, but he reclaimed the power from the external and took it back to the internal and focused on his North Star mission and vision by becoming the very best version of himself. Initially when he came on, which was the start phase, he applied to work with me. We had a really deep dive call and conversation about who he was, what he wanted, where he wanted to go, and how we essentially needed to get there in the best and smoothest way possible. I did not believe that we were going to do what we'd done within this process, and it really solidifies to me how good my coaching is, but not only that, the type of caliber of man that I work with. And Sam was just one of those guys that was straight from the offset ready to go all in. He'd been through some pretty hard times in life. He just came out of a serious long-term relationship. He was leveling up with his professional career, and he'd obviously let himself slip far beyond what he ever thought he ever would, coming in at a whopping 300 pounds, which is crazy. And since that day onwards, he's completely transformed every aspect of his life. So within the mentorship, as you can see here, like I recently ran some story flows on Instagram. I've started taking social media a little bit more seriously, so bear with me. All this stuff is kind of new to me. But these are the processes in which we ran through initially. So first and foremost was getting Sam into the process where he understood the power of identity. When he came on board, I said to him, listen mate, if you truly want to get to where you want to be, we need to start living as if we are him now. And he was like, what do you mean? And I was like, well, in essence, you're currently behaving like a fat guy that has now set goals. If you continue behaving like your current self with new goals, it's only going to lead to burnout, procrastination, and then you're only going to, jump as far as you can make it, which is never that far when you're physically unfit and you've never seen yourself go through the entire process of the transformation which is required. So for Sam, we had to really build his North Star mission and vision from the ground up and get him clear, get him confident, and actually allow him to believe that 300, that's a horrible 300, that he could go from 300 fucking pounds, and excuse my writing, all the way down to 200 in under a year and end up getting a six-pack. So let's think about that for a second. So big, fat, hairy Sam, when he came into the program, Sam, if you're watching this, you'll not get offended at that. But we had to make sure we were running through the stabilization phase, which is making sure his habits, his identity, his mission and vision was all aligned. We weren't, running before we could walk. We were putting him in a position where we could actually really get clear on the power of process, which is essentially knowing what the next move is before it happens, so he can go from habit to habit, day to day, without feeling like his time, attention, energy, or effort is getting wasted. Because how frustrating is it when you start a transformation and you're kind of clear on what the outcome looks like, you imagine it every single day, but yet you don't know all that grey area in between the start and the finish. It's almost like the messy middle. One thing I've been really good at from being in the fitness space for coming up 9 years and working on my own personal development for 10 is understanding how to navigate the messy middle by putting in a process called stabilize, build, thrive, and mastery. And Sam, what we had to do was run through stabilization first and foremost, then lean into the building phase where we're going into identity architecture, and then we can move into thrive, which is thriving with inside the mission by expanding what we believe is truly possible by raising our personal and professional standards, then moving into mastery where we can solidify all the foundational habits and then peak at our absolute utmost top end performance, which will lead to obviously layering the knowledge. And this is the thing what a lot of people miss. They think it's all just chicken and bench press, sets, reps, and macros, when in fact it's actually layering specific skilled knowledge that can only actually be learned from someone like yours truly, aka me, someone who's walked the path and has a result in which any of my clients and individuals that come on board and mentees are trying to actually achieve. And layering knowledge has to come down to sequencing, okay? You can never just understand training and macros and think you're going to become an elite result. It's just never going to be the case. This transformation had to be so much more, because you don't just wake up one day in a bad predicament. You don't just wake up one day and feel soft, lethargic, heavy, depressed, low in self-esteem, even though your external world is quite decent. It's an internal game we have to manage and measure. And it's like, once we understood the power of process, identity, and layering that knowledge, this became far more about sequencing than anything else. Because as I said earlier, you can't run before you can walk. You have to lay the foundation, stabilize the structure. You have to put yourself in a position where the basics are getting nailed in the highest fundamental level, first and foremost, and then you can scale them upon strong foundations to then expand what you truly know is true. And the thing is, right, the same way Sam behaved himself to 300 pounds was going to almost be the reverse process on what he had to do to reverse engineer everything to get back to 200 pounds lean. So what does that actually look like? Well, in essence, it comes down to making a decision, okay? Was he going to stay the person he was, or was he going to step into the messy middle, get his hands dirty, and do the necessary inner and outer work to become the person he had to be? And that happened on the initial call me and him had. I said to him, listen, you've got three options. You either do all the right things and get the results, you either do all the wrong things and stay exactly where you are, or you continue doing what you're doing, time moves on, and you actually end up going back the way, because time waits for no man. And he said to me, I'm all fucking in, sign me up for a year, let's get this shit done. So by understanding these processes and concepts, he was actually willing and able to take himself from good to great on a consistent basis. And this is essentially how the process actually worked. So from going from this guy here to this guy here, lean, jacked, tanned, confident, living life in his own terms, within the initial stabilization phase, we had to run through identity architecture, which is by realigning his identity with his actions. We had to unpack and understand exactly what does the version of you who has the success in which it is you want do every single day to maintain, hold and sustain that specific result. We had to write down a list of every positive belief, character trait, and unpack every single habit in which that man would do. And then we would have to attach a positive affirmation to that, and also a positive concept in terms of what now needed to be articulated for Sam to fully understand to that as well. As I say, it's not just about training, chicken and bench press. It's like we need to understand all the paradigms and all the lenses for him to actually self-actualize within, so he can move up the ranks. Because if his identity didn't align up with the actions, then it would continue just behaving like he is, except with more habits. And that would just be a, straight up lead down the path to burnout, which would never really make sense. So from there as well, stage number 2 was the build phase, where his emotions had to double back around to his beliefs. So what did Sam believe to be true? If Sam was still behaving like a fat guy, he would be like, oh, I just hate the gym. I've always been fat. I can never lose weight. Anytime I look at a cookie, I gain 5 pounds, so on and so forth. Fat guy beliefs are like a cancer. They will destroy your mindset, and your emotion will be connected to those because you're comfortable there, you feel safe there, you've always been the heavier guy, and if you don't unpack those emotions that are attached to those beliefs, then you'll stay stuck. Right? So his emotions, his beliefs had to be rewired from the head down, because your body will only ever go as far as your mind allows. So we had to really open up the paradigms within Sam's mind, allow him to think on the highest frequency possible, because as the laws of frequency go, your frequency is what you frequently see. If you frequently see yourself living the life of the outcome you want and desire, then you will bend reality to shape that. So he started to believe that he could do it through the daily actions after the stabilization phase, where we done all the deep-rooted identity unpacking. Okay? Then from there, we could actually make sure his identity, beliefs, emotions, and actions all aligned up with one another. And by working on who he actually needed and wanted to be rather than who he was, that allowed him to transcend into the man he became. And I would say it's almost impossible for Sam to go back the way, because he actually became the person he'd always dreamt of becoming, not just some, random fat loss result that, came, saw, and disappeared under the wind. He didn't just lose 10 to 20 pounds on some sort of 12-week shred. He went through a full-scale identity transformation, leading him to a lean, strong, jacked 200-pound man that could, leg press 400 pounds, 500 pounds, a guy that could run sub 45-minute 10Ks, a guy that could go out on the weekends and feel confident in the skin he was in and the clothes he was wearing, and get back into the dating world and pursue further in his career and whatnot. Like, he didn't just do a quick transformation. He actually became who he wanted to be, a successful, jacked, confident man. And that's why he was now able to start living life in his own terms, and he's not only became someone that inspired himself, but inspires me every single goddamn day because of the impact of this result I've seen it have, not only in his life, his career, his relationships, his family, and his friends. He's actually became the man. He's became him, which is one of the most important things I've ever seen. Because as I say, guys, like, this whole process is not just about a body transformation. This whole process is about becoming the version of you that you've always wanted to be, by destroying average and becoming undeniable with everything you've ever wanted to do. And it's actually impossible for him to regress back to who he once was, because he actually continues to accelerate upwards using this exact system. It's not something that was just a flash in the pan. This is something that's going to serve him for the rest of his life. He worked with me for 13, 14 months inside the mentorship, and I can honestly say he will never need another coach again. He's on to bigger, bolder, and better things, and he's completely proud and happy with who he now is. And look at that. Like, this is crazy. This is where he was at the start. Big, round, bloated moon face, biomarkers off the charts, health in a really bad position. And then boom, 12 months later, lean, strong, jacked, sitting about 195 pounds lean, considering he is 6'5", shredded to the gills, strong, powerful. The guy was just, bossing from day one. He got absolutely cooking, and we brought him to the best place possible. And, Sam's result should inspire you. It doesn't really matter if you're like any of the other guys at the startup here, Like, you could be any one of these guys. You could be lean, you can be strong, you can be jacked, you can be whatever. But there's always going to be another level you can get to. You can be skinny fat, you can be obese, you can be under-muscled. There's always another level you can get to. And that's why working inside the Peak Performance Project and running through Stabilize, Build, Thrive and Mastery, focusing on the belief shifting component, making sure his identity backed up the man he truly wanted to be through his thoughts, beliefs, actions and behaviours, so he could truly transcend, by me now providing him the platform to actually grow, thrive and demand the life he was truly capable of living. That put him in a position where he can now live life in his own terms and show up every day as the man he was so proud to become. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that little walkthrough of Sam's transformational journey. It's pretty cool when I see it all put out like this. Again, I'm just getting used to these Miro boards. They seem to be in fashion at the time being. But as I say, guys, if you're a high performing guy and you're physically average right now, you want a simple, clean system that's going to allow you to build the physique, get clear on your purpose, double down your productivity and perform at a higher physical and psychological level by rewiring your internal beliefs so you can have that dominant body, aligned energy and a ruthless life. Please follow me over on Instagram, watch my daily habits and drop me a DM if this is something that you want to move forward with. I will see you on the next one. Much love, and I will see you very, very soon. Let's go.